What's the meaning of boulder? Boulder. Boulder.
Boulder. Boulder. A boulder is a large rock that has been moved or deposited by a glacier, or is found on the surface of the earth. It is typically larger than a cobblestone and smaller than a small hill. Boulders are often irregularly shaped and come in a variety of sizes and colors. Due to their size and weight, they can be difficult to move, but they are often used for landscaping and decorative purposes. They can also pose a hazard on hiking trails or roads if they have fallen from nearby cliffs or outcroppings. Overall, boulders are significant geological features that have both practical and aesthetic value.